In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your plan on Webflow. So, if you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Now, cancelling your plan on Webflow is very easy to do. First of all, what you need to do is just go over here and go to our dashboard. So each plan generally has each website has a different plan. So I'll show you first of all, you can go into site settings here. And what we can do from here is go down to where it says plans. Inside of plans, we should be able to see the one that we're on. And if you're on this one, for example, you're on the basic one, there's going to be an option here which we can downgrade you to starter. This essentially will allow you to go down to the starter plan. So yeah, that means you can downgrade and basically cancel your plan that way. You can do this with any of these options here. So you've got the e-commerce one and you've got the add-ons one. That's how you can downgrade. Now also what you can do is if you go to the, or if you go back to all sites, you can go onto plans here. And this is going to be the plans for Webflow as a whole. So you might also want to go ahead and downgrade to the starter plan for Webflow as a whole. So that's something you should take into account because you may have a plan for your website and you may have a plan for Webflow overall. Then lastly, I would recommend on billing, I'd recommend going onto here, and if you really want to go ahead and stop paying for Webflow, I'd recommend also removing your card so that you don't get billed in the future for any kind of accidental reason, for example. But it's really as simple as that to go ahead and do. I'd recommend doing all of those ways to ensure that you don't get billed anymore for Webflow. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below that it helped, and I will see you in the next one.